Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a dedicated macro lens that provides one magnification for true macro detail. Keep a working distance around 3.5 inches when using a 50 mm macro or close focusing lens. Use a tripod and a macro focusing rail to make precise focus shifts and reduce shake. Set aperture to f/8 or f/11 to increase depth of field while maintaining sharpness. Follow the 180-degree shutter rule. At 30 fps, set shutter to 1/60. At 60 fps, use continuous LED panels at 5600K for steady light and consistent color balance. Position 2 lights for a key and a subtle rim to reveal shape without harsh shadows. Place the subject off-center and use negative space to add cinematic interest. Use small reflectors to fill shadows and control contrast without changing exposure. Add a small diffuser or softbox to soften highlights and preserve fine detail. Keep background distance large to blur it smoothly and avoid distracting texture. Pull focus slowly with a macro rail or wireless follow focus to avoid jerky transitions. Use small increments on a focusing rail for precise depth sweeps and smooth motion. Record at 60 fps when you plan to slow motion, then set shutter to 1/120 for smooth results. Keep camera motion minimal. Use a sturdy tripod rather than a gimbal for most macro shots. Use manual exposure and lock white balance to prevent flicker during the take. Capture extra frames for stabilization and crop gently in post to maintain sharpness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.